Hi everybody. In the previous Chapter 9 video, we recorded cash payment transactions for Marcus Products into the Cash Payments Journal. We also posted to the vendor cards in the Accounts Payable Subsidiary Ledger. In this video, we'll finish the exercise by posting the cash payment transactions to the General Ledger for Marcus Products. This video is a continuation of the cash payments exercise we began in video lecture 9.3. We will use the same worksheet you started in that lecture. Turn to the cash payments journal for the week ended November 7th, shown as page 9 in this exercise. Cash payments journal, week ended November 7th, page 9. We need to post the column totals from the cash payments journal to the correct general ledger account. So we'll post this $2,775 debit to accounts payable, this $18 credit to purchase discounts, and this $10,027 credit to cash. However, it's not possible to post this $7,270 debit to any one account. So for the other accounts debit column, we'll post each individual debit. Let's get started. Let's post this $2,775 debit to accounts payable. Turn to account number 204 in the general ledger. Use the last day of the week in the date column, November 7th. Leave the description blank. The posting reference is the journal page where the amount was originally recorded, CP 9 in this exercise. Debit $2,775, leaving a credit balance in the account of $3,530. The $63.05 previous credit balance minus the $2,775 debit we just posted. Return to the cash payments journal and record account number 204 in parentheses underneath the $2,775 total of the accounts payable debit column. Next, we want to post this $2,700 debit to office furniture. Office furniture is account 142. Turn to account 142 in the general ledger. Date November 7th, CP 9. Debit $2,700. Debit $2,700, leaving a debit balance on the account of $27,400. The previous $24,700 debit balance plus the $2,700 debit we just posted. Return to the cash payments journal and put account 142 in the posting reference column next to office furniture. Why don't you pause this video and post the rest of the debits in the other accounts column? Start the video again when you're finished to check your answers. Rent expense, account 617, date November 7th, CP 9, $1,700 debit, leaving an $18,700 debit balance in the account. That's the previous $17,000 debit plus the $1,700 debit we just posted. Did you remember to put account number 617 as the posting reference? account 617, posting reference. Sales tax payable, account number 224, date November 7th, posting reference CP9, $870 debit, leaves a zero balance on the account, and 224 posting reference by sales tax payable. General ledger account 302, John Marcus drawing, date November 7th, posting reference CP9, debit $2,000, leaving a debit balance of $14,000 in the account. The previous $12,000 debit balance plus the $2,000 debit we just posted. Posting reference 302. Then record an X in parentheses underneath the $7,270 total in the other accounts column to show that all of the amounts in the column have been posted to the general ledger account. Now we need to post this $18 credit to purchase discounts. Turn to account number 504 in the general ledger. Purchase discounts, account 504. Date November 7th, CP9, $18 credit, leaving a $203 credit balance on account, the $185 previous credit plus the $18 credit we just posted. Return to the cash payments journal and record account 504 in parentheses underneath the total. And finally, we need to post this $10,027 credit to cash. Turn to account number 101 in the general ledger. November 7th, CP9, credit $10,027, leaving a $32,158 debit balance in the account. That's the previous debit balance of $42,185 minus the credit we just posted of $10,027. Return to the cash payments column. Record account 101 as a posting reference beneath the cash credit column. Well, that's all for the cash payments exercises. In the next Chapter 9 videos, we'll discuss bank reconciliations.